These are the BMC high-flow air filters for the 981, both Cayman and Boxster, and they work for all trims, the base model, the S, GTS, and the GT4. Just a bolt-on part, goes right in the factory airbox. Just a higher flowing media. They are an oiled filter. Work very good. Porsche obviously uses BMC on some of the higher trims like the GT3 RS and the 918. Very well-known brand, good quality product. This is not really going to drive a ton of horsepower, but it'll help free up the airflow a little bit, give you a little sharper throttle response, and essentially just give you a nice aggressive noise with the air intake induction sound. So certainly is a proven formula for adding power. How much is kind of a mystery, not a ton, but a nice little bolt-on upgrade when you need to replace air filters. So again, these are the BMC high-flow air filters for the 981, both Cayman and Boxster.